Go get Jess.
Come here. Come on. Grab my hands. Come on. Hey.
Get Jessie. Go get her. Where'd she go? Get Jessie's phone. Go get it.
Come on. Come on. Go get it.
He got up on his knees for a minute and was actually moving them.
One more. One more. It's right there.
One more time.
One more.
Well, maybe one more since you pushed it away.
There
Got it.
goes.
Yay, Landon.
Yeah.
Yay.